Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add address to Coinbase Wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to add the address, tap onto the wallet option at the bottom right corner, just right here. Then here you can find the option of add address. Simply tap on it. Now tap on to continue. Add your Face ID and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the new address has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add address to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.